When traveling to Indonesia, most people picture Bali, Java, Komodo or Raja Ampat, but little is talked about Sulawesi, a fairly big island east of Borneo and known for its excellent diving sites. But soon enough, I would discover that Sulawesi has way more to offer than just its beautiful maritime life. So join me and let's explore Sulawesi. Welcome to Sulawesi, or more precise to the little island in the north, Tomohon, which is incredibly beautiful. But not only that, it's also known as a perfect spot for diving. So that's what I'm gonna do here for the next 3 days, starting with a warm-up dive, just to see if I remembered everything from my open water diving course, which I did in February. And then as of tomorrow, I will explore hopefully beautiful maritime life here around Bangka Island. So let's dive. Three full days of diving, and with a beautiful sunrise here in Tomohon. I was really worth to get up at 5:20 to see this. Amazing island. Really worth to go here. The diving was incredible. The coral reefs, all the colors. So really can recommend to go here. And now it's time for something completely different. We're gonna leave this island and head to the main island of Sulawesi, to the Tangkoko Nationalpark. Let's go to the jungle. Alright, I arrived here in the Tangkoko Nationalpark, one of the oldest nature reserves in Indonesia with over 9,000 hectares of preserved land, and home of the macaque and tarsier monkeys. Especially the tarsier monkeys are super rare and can only be found here and in the Philippines. And I think they only show up at night. That's why I'm going to do an evening tour today. And then tomorrow morning, morning tour as well. So super curious if I can find them and what else can we spot there. glaciers. Yesterday evening we saw the tarsiers, which were super cute and super little, and now we're gonna do the morning tour, which takes way longer, I think, around 3-4 hours, because here the animals are most active. So let's see what we can find. Okay, we just found this tree here. And the cool thing is you can go in there. And it's completely empty inside, and you can actually climb up here. Pretty cool. Alright, I left the Tangkoko Nationalpark and drove 2 hours more into the center of North Sulawesi to the beautiful little city called Tomohon, which is surrounded by volcanoes and beautiful nature. The plan for now is just chill a bit, enjoy this little resort here and the nature, and tomorrow I will explore Tomohon a bit more, the market and the lake close by. And the day after I will actually try to hike up one of the volcanoes. So yeah, that's the plan. Let's go. Alright, first stop on our Minahasa tour is the Tomohon market. Alright, I'm now at the sulfur lake, which smells terribly. Due to the sulfur it can actually show various colors. Now it's just boring blue-green, but apparently it can also show white, red or yellow. Yeah, it looks cool but smells really awful. Alright, now we're at a hot spring. I don't know why we need to go to a hot spring because it's already super hot, but the water is super blue, so let's jump in there. Alright, today we're gonna hike up a volcano, the Volcano, which is there. Where the crater is not really on the top, but it's more on the side. So from here it just takes 1 hour. Sounds not too bad. Let's go. We made it to the crater. Okay, it just started to rain. Luckily, I got an umbrella. But yeah, quite wet. Alright. Still rainy. But anyway, there was another volcano close by. Mahavu. Which I also want to see, so gonna go up there and hope that the rain will eventually stop. Let's go. I made it to the top. Unfortunately, it's still raining, but you can see the crater. I'm not sure how long the rain will last. I will chill a bit here in this little hut, and maybe I'm lucky and the rain will stop soon. So I waited for almost an hour. Still a bit rainy and actually became even more cloudy, so you cannot even see the crater anymore. There's like a way around the crater, which is really cool. But it doesn't really make sense to walk that because all I see is nothing. Okay, I was just about to go and finally get a little bit clearer. I think I will not go around, but at least I got a decent view now. Alright, I'm gonna leave Tomohon now and go to the Bunaken, again an island in the north of Sulawesi. The ride takes like 1.5 hours and then 30 more minutes with the boat. On the way there's apparently a nice waterfall I still want to check out, so that's the plan for today. Let's go. Alright, I found the waterfall. And I'm literally the only person here. This waterfall would have been in Bali, it's probably overcrowded, but here nobody's here. It's really crazy. Alright, I arrived here in the Bunaken in my resort, which is pretty cool. Live in this hut, and there's already the beach. So I'm staying here for 3 nights. We'll do 1 more diving, 1 time snorkeling, and the rest of the time just relax before I'm heading home. So let's chill.